This thing you're chasing, unfair returns, massive impact, the kind of deal that flips the whole game on its head, is not about what everyone tells you. Forget the crowded pitches, the safe bets, the follow-the-herd mentality that's killing every chance at real breakthrough. The dark horse investment strategy that nobody talks about, it's about looking where no one else is looking. And I don't mean some vague, undervalued market spiel. It's about finding the overlooked outsider, the misfit who's been beaten down by every expert and only survives because they refuse to quit. You want to know the brutal truth? Those are your gold mines. But here's the catch. You have to get brutal with yourself too. No more waiting for perfect traction. No more, I'm just going to wait and see. You have to put your money where others run away, on founders who are scrappy, relentless, but maybe messy as hell. You have to back the teams who don't show up polished, but who scream, I'm here to fight until I break the system. This isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for those who are sick and tired of mediocrity dressed up as safe bets. Stop chasing the next unicorn everyone else has already priced into a fantasy. Start hunting those companies and people society has already written off, the ones dismissed as too risky or unconventional. Here's where it gets wild. Because when you do that, your investment isn't just about money anymore. It's about creating a network of raw, untamed potential that others are too scared to touch. It's about connecting those isolated founders, the ones stuck in chaos, with resources they don't even know how to ask for yet. You become not just an investor, but a trigger for transformation. And yes, this means you must stop playing nice with traditional structures. You will face pushback, skepticism. Some will call you reckless. That's fine. Your job is to absorb that frustration and use it to fuel your decisions. No more waiting for permission or validation from the gatekeepers who have long stopped caring about actual value. Here's what to do next. Stop looking for startups that fit a neat template. Start hunting for founders who are obsessed with solving problems nobody else wants to touch, who have grit because their backs have been against the wall so many times they don't even flinch anymore. Dig deep into their networks, even when it's messy, broken, or unconventional, because the real value is in the connections that others ignore. Then, offer them more than just money. Offer real partnership, operational support, access to your own network of disruptors wired to shake up everything from markets to mindsets. Make your investments a tool to build autonomous ecosystems of innovation, where people who see the world differently can multiply each other's strengths. If you do this right, the returns aren't just financial, they're revolutionary. The dark horse strategy rewards those who are not afraid to step outside the lines others draw, who break the rules not because they want to cause chaos, but because the rules themselves are choking every spark of real progress. This is about betting on potential so raw, so unrefined, that it looks ugly on paper, but with the right fuel can disrupt entire industries. This is about being fearless enough to say no to the safe path when it means watching the world move too slow. So stop being hostage to the illusion of security. Start looking for the founders nobody believes in and back them like your life depends on it. Because on the other side, that's exactly where the world changes. If you want to play the game that cracks markets wide open, this is how you do it. Not by following the crowd, but by leading where no one else wants to go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.